Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want us to talk about infections in the female reproductive system, what causes them, how you can treat them, and how natural remedies, including herbal teas, can help promote the wellness of your reproductive system. First of all, the reproductive system includes the vagina, the cervix, ovaries, uterus, and the fallopian tubes. These need to be taken care of in order to function well. So, what usually causes infections in these organs? Let's dig in. Infections are commonly caused by parasites, fungi, or bacteria. And some of the common types of infections we have bacterial infections caused by the harmful bacteria, urinary tract infections. These happen when they spread to other organs. And then we have the yeast infections. This is usually caused by the overgrowth of yeast. And we have pelvic infection. This also happens when the bacteria spreads. Yeah. So, what are the common causes of these infections? Some of the common causes of these infections are poor personal hygiene. Um, this both in the this happens when you don't take care of your private area. Let me say when you go to the toilets, you don't wipe well, you don't use water, and that can lead to an overgrowth of bacteria, and then you catch a bacterial infection. Another cause is wearing non-breathable underwear like nylon. This traps heat and moisture, and this attracts bacteria too. We have not drinking enough water because water helps to flush out toxins and bacteria from our system. And then using of harsh chemicals or soaps, scented soaps in your private area can disrupt the pH balance, causing yeast overgrowth. And then we have hormonal changes. These two can bring about yeast infections, compromised immune system, and so much more. Some of the symptoms of infections in your reproductive system include irritational itchiness. We have abnormal discharge. We have a bad odor. Yeah, it can indicate infections. Yeah, in your system. And then we have pelvic pain, and then painful urination. All these symptoms can indicate an infection in your system. However, a proper diagnosis from a professional needs to be done to actually name what type of infection that you have. Some of the things that you can do to kick infections out of your system is number one, getting a proper diagnosis from a doctor and completing your treatment fully. We also have healthy lifestyles like drinking enough water, staying hydrated, and then there's use of natural herbal teas, yeah, that help in the cleansing of the system and supporting like the immunity defense in the female reproductive system. We also have good hygiene, yeah, like keeping that place clean and dry, wearing breathable underwears like cotton underwears so that you don't trap heat and moisture. Uh, uh, not sleeping around, yeah, being faithful to your partner, and then also getting your partner checked and treated in case you catch an infection, and so much more can come in handy. Um, I personally, I use a cleansing tea that helps to do a gentle cleanse in my reproductive system, and it also supports the overall wellness of the reproductive system, and it also puts a defense in my system. So, taking care of your reproductive system is very important for your general wellness. So, keep looking after yourself. And if you're interested in the cleansing tea, um, there's a link in the description. If you found this helpful, share, like, and if you have not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, I'll catch you soon with so many other topics regarding female health.